Revolut versus Monzo. Which saves you the most? This is a presentation from Smart Money UK. It's a finance show. Revolut versus Monzo. Which one serves you better in 2026? A clear cinematic comparison of features, fees and protections, helping you decide which digital bank fits your money life best. Why this comparison matters. This is a Monzo FSCS protection, which protects you in case of fraud or unsatisfactory illegal transactions. Revolut earns up to 4.45% interest rate. One gives you freedom, one gives you protection. Both take a slice of your money. The right choice depends entirely on your lifestyle, your priorities, and how you use your finances day to day. Revolut earn up to 4.45% on a saving, ideal for travelers and international spend seeking flexibility and higher. Monzo is a fully licensed UK bank. FSC's protection up to £85,000, built for simplicity and trusted UK bank. Revolut overview. Got key features: free current account with multi-currency spending, savings pot paying up to 4.45% AER variable rate, great for frequent travellers and international spenders. Fees and caveats: 2% fee after free ATM withdrawal limit, charges on some international transfers, paid plans with growing costs, not a fully licensed UK high street bank. Free multi-currency account and spending, savings pot up to 4.45% AER variable, ideal for travellers and international use. Net and not a fully licensed UK bank. FSCS risk, that's the £85,000 at risk. Features: Monzo is a fully licensed UK bank perfected by FSCS up to £85,000. You can enjoy fee-free monthly ATM withdrawals and a straightforward savings account at 2.75%. Trade-offs: ATM withdrawal fees 3% are higher than Revolut once the free limit is passed. Savings rate of 2.75% AER is lower than Revolut 4.45% AER. So, Revolut versus Monzo. Revolut savings up to 4.45% AER variable, ATM fee 2% after free limit, multi-currency spending for travellers, not fully FSCS protected as a bank, versus Monzo savings 2.75% AER variable, ATM fee 3% after free allowance, fully licensed UK bank with FSCS protection up to £85,000, simpler UK banking set. Revolut offers higher savings rates and greater flexibility for international spend, while Monzo provides full FSCS protection up to £80,000 and a trusted UK banking structure. Your choice depends on whether you prioritise returns or security. Savings and returns. On £10,000 in savings, Revolut earns approximately £170 more per annum than Monzo, thanks to the 4.45% AER versus Monzo's 2.7% AER. That gap compounds over time. Monzo provides FSCS protection up to £85,000, a regulatory safety net. Revolut does not fully match, as it's not a fully licensed UK high street bank. For ATM fees, Revolut charges 2% after limits versus Monzo's 3%. Action and fees. Revolut is 4.45% AER savings rate, Monzo 2.75% AER. Annual difference on £10,000 is £170. Revolut ATM fee 2%, Monzo ATM fee 3%. FSCS protection, Monzo only up £85,000. Revolut wins. Revolut excels for those who travel, spend internationally or want higher savings rate. Monzo is the trusted UK bank with FSCS protection up to £85,000. Savings rate up to 4.45% AER. Flexibility for travellers and international use. Multi-currency spending made easy. Verdicts and what fits you best. Monzo wins for fully FSCS protected up to £85,000. Simple, trusted UK banking structure with competitive premium plans, ideal for those who prioritise security and peace of mind. Which fits your money life? Want strong rates and multi-currency? Choose Revolut. Want full UK bank protection and simplicity? Choose Monzo. Which one fits your money life best? Thank you. Do you have any questions? If you'd like to learn more about any of the subjects you hear in this video, Don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan on 07539141257. Like and subscribe to our Smart Money UK YouTube channel.